Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use green screen on CapCut mobile. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to simply open CapCut and create a new project and add your main background or image to the timeline first. And once you have added that, after that, you're going to tap on overlay over here and simply upload the video that you wish to add. And now you can see that I have added this video. Next, you're going to simply scroll to the right until you see the option of remove PG. So simply click on it and then you're going to click on chroma key. And here you're going to simply pick the color that you wish to remove. So we're going to select green. And now once you have selected that, simply click on the stick icon. And now when you play the video, you can see that the green screen has been removed. And now you can see that the subject will appear in front of the new background and green screen has been removed. Once everything looks good, simply click on export at the top and you're good to go. So that was how you can use green screen on CapCut mobile. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.